Understanding your rights and obligations regarding refunds and returns is essential for both businesses and customers. A clear refund policy ensures transparency and compliance. Let's explore how it works. A refund policy outlines how a company handles product returns and refunds. While refund and return policies are discretionary, businesses must comply with Australian consumer law and customer rights. Use a refund policy to inform customers about your refund and return process. Clarify your company's stance on refunds and exchanges. Ensure compliance with Australian consumer law. Build trust and transparency with your customers. With a refund policy, you can manage customer expectations effectively, reduce disputes and misunderstandings, establish a fair and transparent return process. JustSign makes it easy to create and implement a clear refund policy. Use our platform to draft, customize, and finalize your policy with secure digital signatures, ensuring clarity and legal compliance. Ensure your refund process is clear, fair, and legally sound. Get started with JustSign. Visit our website, justsign.com.au, or call us at 02-9684-4199. Email us at sales@justsign.com.au. Thanks for watching.